Hi Capricorn, this is your career reading. I know you are very career oriented, so you are the first one whose October career situation, career money, job finance, whatever you do for your livelihood and however is the way you make your money. I'm going to look at the energies that will be good or bad in this sector. So we usually see the second house and the 10th house energy. So that's why this reading is for the zodiac sign of Capricorn or the ascendant sign. Uh, but the zodiac sign will resonate because your 10th house energy, your 10th house is the house of Libra, and your second house energy, that is the house of Aquarius. So second house is resources and 10th house is about your what you produce in your work, what kind of relationship you have in work, how you are seen, how you are perceived in your profession, what kind of success you get. So basically the second house and the 10th house is very very important for you, and in the month of October what's going to come to you. So in your environment there will be some kind of reunion with people. There could be some kind of healing, happiness, whether you were concerned with your separation with your partners, whether you were working alone, whether you were doing everything on your own. There is some kind of situation where other people are going to come in, and there is going to be a reunion of sort, an event of some sort, which is going to give you some reprieve from being all alone and working in separation. So there is going to be an improvement or some kind of success in your work with other people or a team. In terms of your situation, it's a good situation. With the Wheel of Fortune and Two of Wands, you are going to take a risk in this time period. So ever changing cycles of your fortune, and fortune will be upright. So good fortune can be harnessed in this time if you take risk. So you are going to have this expansion energy, and you are going to look at new direction in this time period. So many of you are looking at a new direction, trying to get a new job, trying to get out of your comfort zone, not letting status quo rule you or convention rule you or conservatism rule you. You are going to take a risk in this time period, and you are very soon you will be acting on it. So with the Seven of Swords, you have strategized to change a situation for yourself. So Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands could be that you are also guarded, you are on a higher ground, and you are ready to extricate yourself from situations that can hurt you in terms of your work. So basically strategy, basically showing your cleverness in this time period, and trying to remain safe in this time period will be very very important. So you will also take your time, you can take some rest in this time period in the month of October with the Four of Swords. Or I am doing this reading in the last few days of September, so basically you will be taking rest at this time. You could be making strategy, and you will be trying to be guarded, reserved in your action, but you are ready to take a some kind of new direction in your life definitely in this time. So with the choice card, the Lovers card, it could be a choice to come back home, it could be a choice to meet with a partner, it could be a choice to make a new partner or reach some kind of peace in your difficult situation. So you have been going through major worry, Capricorn. So there was this devil situation. So devil identifies you. So it is connected to material plane, it is connected to physical situation in life. So Physically, you could be working, you could be in a job that could be that was supposed to be a situation of something that you had thought it was very attractive, but maybe it is not up to your expectation. For some of you, it could be that you were stuck in a job situation. Maybe your health was impacting some chronic illness. There were some issues which are troubling, or it is still troubling you. With the Five of Pentacles, you were feeling lack of money, lack of funding. It could be a sense of misery in your job. It could be doing things all alone without support. And the Nine of Swords is a worry situation, so it was creating some kind of worry, anxiety. It is still there. It's not that it has gone away. So in this time, in the month of October, you will decide to go towards peace. You will decide to go towards a harmonious decision in your job. So with the Six of Swords, you could be moving on from one job to another. For some of you, you could be deciding to do so in this time. You could be in a fix in this time. In the month of October, you could be in a fix, but subconsciously, the Chariot card appearing in your reading is telling me you have made up your mind. You have made up your mind to move forward subconsciously, focused on a certain path that you know, and this illusion is going away. So the strategy is on. Maybe it's taking time, but you will be moving on to a new direction that will bring you success. So the choice is yours. With the Lovers card, the choice is yours. Sometimes it can also mean that you were connected in one situation. You are dedicated to one situation, and you could be doing something else, and this is time to cross over and move to that direction where your interest lies. So where your interest lies, where your well-being lies, you are going to take that decision to move towards that, and it is going to happen in October. In terms of a job, if you are looking for a job, you have the Queen of Pentacles energy. This means yes, if you are looking for a job, you can get a job. Be practical about your situation. The direction is correct. You have this great energy of practicality and hard work, and also you nurture care the people around you, your team, your family, and you have the provider energy who looks after everyone. So you could be getting a job. The Yes card has come. In terms of how to keep the job, you are someone who is not going to leave anything for chance. You will try to take control. You will try to be that courageous one and be in that job very bold and courageous, not giving up. So with the Sun card, many of you could be, because of your not giving up approach, you could be having great clarity, and also you will be ending an arduous journey. Your patience will work out. The journey that you were in was burdensome. You were in some kind of disadvantage, but you did not give up. So with the Sun card, now joy, happiness, recognition in your job can come in. With the Emperor and the Six of Cups, you will reach harmony with bosses or powerful people, that is for sure. You can reset your energies, restore your energies, and success is definite in this time period with harmony coming back to you. Some of you could be going back to an old company, or a boss from an old company will approach you in this time period. So your outcome in this time period is the Death. So Death is a positive card. It is not a negative card. It is about ending old practices, ending that feeling of being ignored, ending that isolation, ending that worried tension that was gripping you. And it can mean that traveling lighter. Now 10 of wands means that something karmic is over now. So some work situation is over, some contract is over, or a situation in a certain company is over. So, or a business is now I'm going to close it. That kind of mentality is going to come. You are going to come back to a situation where uh, the old is dying out and the new is taking its place. So it is like the autumn, it is like what we are getting into a season where the leaves are, whatever is obsolete is going to fall down. So the death card is meaning some great transformation in your occupation. So some of you could be changing a line altogether, whatever your line was. Some of you could be changing the place where you used to work, so a new place. Because chariot is here. So whatever the subconscious is making up a decision in your mind, focusing on a onward going target, a goal that you have to achieve. For that you have to let go of something. With the hangman, which might have been there in your last career reading, it gave you time to think about the whole thing and have a different perspective of ending something suddenly. So the suddenness will be felt now, but actually the process had started. So you will be moving. So after death there is chariot. So you will make up your mind to move towards a certain direction and triumph will be yours. Many of you are going to have great financial success in this time period. With the 9 of Pentacles, this big change is coming and this is giving you confidence of not needing any support anymore. You could be going all alone, for something, showing your financial confidence. So what's coming to you? You could be uh, leaving a false person. This person could be a mature woman. It could be, there could be a problem in your wedding or your marriage or your association with someone. Someone might be stealing from you, or there is some false person around you with whom you have a marriage, or some kind of uh, uh, money that you had might not be, uh, or you both could be dealing with someone, both of you, husband and wife, dealing with some thief like person, some fraud, some scamster in this time period. There could be a change in the situation. So a big change is happening, maybe in job, maybe in asset situation, maybe in place of living, place of working in this time. So let's read out the Lenormand for you. So the anchor card is coming for you. There is a ship in the distance and anchor here. So you might be moving towards anchoring your energies in this time period. You have been moving all along. Now you are looking for a long term maybe. So a reasonable hope, effort, effective over time. So you do well to sustain your projects against everybody. You have what it takes to succeed. You just need some time. So you are going to have some peaceful moments in the month of October because of some clarity. You have worked very hard with optimism and passion, but results are slow to be realized. That is no problem. Results will come to you. Period of overwork, and now your fruits of your efforts will become evident very soon. With time, however, charm and spontaneity will win your liking of influential characters with flattering effects on your image. Well-founded hopes in terms of job or work, gradual conquest of an environment and professional position. In terms of money, you could be, avoiding a scamster or a fraud in this time period. Brave initiatives concerning savings and sacrifice made with a purpose. A regular investment suddenly will catch your eye. Economic security will be reached thanks to a cautious and intelligent approach. So, this is what I have for you in terms of your Lenormand, the Gypsy card, in terms of your astro situation, your planetary situation. You are going through transits. So, Pluto will become direct in October in your own sign, and also in your 10th house. Right now, Venus is in your 10th house, Mercury is in your 10th house right now. But in October, this will change and it will go to your 11th house. So 11th house is of new friendships, contracts, appointments, and some kind of win, some kind of promotion or expansion. So also 11th house is about going abroad sometimes. So transits climate is telling me that this situation, the situation you are in is in a flux. So it is a changing situation. Stay alert, aware, and be ready to respond to incoming dangers and opportunities both. Some people are moving in, others are leaving you. So new opportunities open and old chapters close. Listen to the grapevine for changes in personal or economic conditions. It could be about a broader economy. You are not in control of these elements, but you can make the most of these changes and dance with fate. So this is called opportunism. uh, People that walk into your life now may be karmically important. So whoever is coming in your life could be connected to you, connected to your destiny. There is in this time period wild cards are in play, so you are not in control, or who or what now brushes your life could be a bit scary. But even though life is ever moving, ever changing, this transit is going to you need to respond in this transit and choose wisely. So that is what angels are asking you to do. Be mature in situations and be alert about scamsters. So there is some kind of deception. You got to be very clever in this time period to extricate yourself. And I am seeing 7 of Wands and 7 of Swords. So these two energies are telling me that there could be deception, but you are very guarded. You are very guarded and you can deflect this challenge. So this is what I have for you for the month of October. Capricorn, how you will be faring in your economy. It looks good, and it looks as if because of your cautious approach you will reach some kind of great stability. Venus will give you a good push in this time period regarding abundance, and Mercury will help you to um, uh, uh, manifest things and find your voice. So this is a good time. So in terms of economy, so be assured of a good period. So Capricorn, if you have liked this reading, like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So contact me through the email ID in the description box, and you can like, share, and donate to the channel by clicking on super thanks just below this video, and share these readings with others. Thank you. Bye bye.